In today's video, I'll teach you how to make someone admin on Facebook page. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in facebook.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Facebook. Make sure you're logged in to your Facebook page. So if you want to make someone admin, what you have to do is simply go to the page settings. For that, look at left, you'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to see your page, click on it. Now you'll be able to manage your page. At left, you'll be able to find the options like professional dashboard, insights, Ad Center, create ads, etc. Click on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the page settings. Again, look at left and you'll be able to find various settings related with preferences, audience and visibility, payments, etc. Under the section for audience and visibility, over here you'll be able to find this option for page setup. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the page setup interface. You'll be able to find the options like name, page access, page management history, etc. Click on this option, page access. Now once you do that, you'll be able to manage and view the access. You'll be able to see various options like Facebook access, task access, portfolio access, etc. So if you want to make someone admin, what you have to do is give them the Facebook access. For that, click on this option, add new, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to add new access. Click on this option next. Now what you have to do is simply search for the person that you would like to give the access to. You can search by the name or email if you want. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the account that you would like to give the access to. Now you'll be able to see all the access they'll be given. They'll be given the access of content, messages and calls, community activity, etc. Click on this option, give access. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your Facebook password. Simply enter your password and click on this option, confirm. Now the code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Now you can see over here the Facebook will send you the code. Simply click on that email. Now over here you'll be able to see the code. Copy this code. Simply select it and press Ctrl C on the keyboard. Now go back to the Facebook tab and enter the code over here. Now click on this option, continue. Now you can see over here the invitation will be sent to this particular person. Now if this person accepts the invite, this person will be the admin of your Facebook page. So like this you'll be able to make someone admin. So that is how you make someone admin on Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.